Hello everyone and welcome in this channel. This is your girl Moniz. It is always a pleasure that we meet. So this is a gratin potato I'm sharing with you after boiling 3 big potato. So after it's cooking, and I peel it, and now I mash it onto this bowl. I mash it really well. You can use anything to mash it. So after I mash it, but remember, and if it needs salt, you can put salt. And I put 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk on it, and I mix it with it, and I'm gonna add another like half cups heavy whipped cream, and then these 2 cheese I bought it from Walmart. I put it on it. It's La Vache qui rit cheese. So this is a Haitian style cheese we love. So yeah, and I mash it really well, mix everything together, taste it. If you need salt, you can add salt, and you know how much salt you eat. So yeah, I've added a little bit of salt, and I add garlic powder too, onion powder, and mix it. Make sure you have a good taste. So then I put heavy whipped cream, about half cups, and then I mix it. And now I use this pan. I put butter on it. So after I put butter on it, but the ground beef, I already cooked the ground beef. So this will be another separate video. But if you watch where I make the puff patty, so that's where I cook the ground beef. So you can go ahead and watch this video, and you see everything I used on my ground beef. Or I can make another video another time to cook the ground beef for you if you request it. And then after I put butter on this pan, and then I put the potato, but make sure you have a good taste. So, and then I'm gonna put the ground beef in the middle, and then I'm going to do it, put the ground beef and put cheese. So now it's time to put the ground beef on it. My ground beef, it is really well done, very tasty. If you want to see how I make my ground beef, you can request it, comment below if you want to know how I make my ground beef. So now after I do that, so I'm gonna put some cheese on it. So yeah, I put some cheese. This is cheddar cheese I put on the top of it, but you can use any kind of cheese you prefer. So, and then I'm going again to put the potato. So yes, I'm gonna add all the rest of the potato because it's only 3 big potato I have, and my family just eat that about 1 minute, because this is the first time I make it on my family dinner. So I used to make it another type of way, but this time, this is the first time I make it as a gratin. They love it. So, and then I put cheddar cheese on the top of it. And then family, after I put the cheddar cheese, I am going to bake it. So I forgot to do the video where I bake it. And then there you go, family. Subscribe and like and share, family. And this is going my family Sunday dinner. If you didn't watch this video, go ahead and watch this video, family. Bye.